you, then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my baby. No time, no. You send me the look,
guys, and welcome back. So today we are doing a wig video. So this wig video is brought to you by Nadula's hair. Big up to Nadula. I love this hair. So this is a 4x4 24 inch, as you can see, Jerry curl wave. Yeah, so and this is the hair. So if you guys want to see how I style this hair, how I got this hair looking the way it does, then stay tuned and watch this video. Guys, tell me what you think. Do you love the hair? I love it. I love it. I just wet it up. It looks amazing. So this is it from the back, as you can see. Yeah, so that is the back. And then the side. And then this is from the front. So if you guys would love to see how I got this, achieved this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the bag that the hair comes in, and I love it. It's nice and glam. You could always use it for storage. I got little goodies, and I also have another package. So let's go through the goodies. So as you can see, you could use this bag as well. We have a headband that it comes with. We have HD lace wig cap if you want to use, and we also got some cute press-on nails that you can go ahead and use as well. And we also have a cute little mirror here for the girlies that love to touch up their makeup, something simple that you can travel with in your purse, and that is what it looked like. So let's get into the hair. So as you see, it comes in a storage bag, which is great. I think a lot of wig companies should have more of these. And here is the hair. Let's get into it. So I'm just showing you here the type of wig and basically the price, the size of it. So this is the wig here. That is the girl. Let's get her unravel. And it's the mesh is a perfect thing to have over it because it holds the hair in place and you don't have that much flyaways. So as you see here, I'm showing you it's a 4x4. It also comes with clips, as you can see. So it comes with 3 clips, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and it also comes with a headband, which is perfect for the girlies that don't really want to glue down their wigs. You have that option to just kind of use that, a little bit of spray and melting spray, and just spray that bad boy down and it's good to go. I'm showing you how clear it is on the skin. So yeah, and the bounce. So let's put this bad boy on. As you can see here, I'm just gonna tighten it down, and look how it just actually snugs my head without even fully gluing it down or anything. Yeah, so I'm just showing you how the hair looks at the side. I'm just gonna catch it up now, and we are about to I'm just gonna use a gel, and as you see, I just put on a one of the HD lace cap, and I'm going in with my got to be glue here, and I just did a popsicle stick. You can use anything, but I just use it because it's easier, and I'm just gonna go across my hairline and glue it down. So when you glue down this hair, pretty much you can use this. It can last you for a day if you want. For the girlies that don't really like to keep their wigs on, you can just easily use water, or your sweat removes this fast and easy, or you can just use some baby oil or any form of oil to release it. So as you see, I am tacking it down here, and hopefully I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer to get it dried. So not that much. So as you see, I'm just drying it here using my tail comb to help kind of push it back to set it in place. And I'm going to go in with my headband that I also got in the package. So I'm tying this bad boy down, and I usually tie my hair down based at the time where I'm going. If I'm going somewhere right away and I need to leave it, then I only tie it down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. But if not, then I try to just leave it on for a good 20 minutes basically while I do the hair. So here I am going in with Um, I'm going in with my wax. So this wax helps to keep the flyaways down, but it also helps to look the hair to make the hair nice and shiny. I'm going in with my hot comb, and I do this method because you want to make your wig look as natural as possible. That's the whole point of wearing a wig on your head. You know, it's a protective style, but you want it to look as much natural as possible, close to your real hair, or if not, even better. So here you see me slicking it down, and yeah, that hair wax and a flat, I'm using the flat iron comb. Perfect. It just gives you that nice flat look here. I'm going to use a bit of my foundation to do my parting so it stands out a little bit more, because you just want that hairline to look the way it does. Don't mind me, I am there currently jamming to some music. I'm always jamming to music while I work. It just gets me going and pumped. So as you can see, my lace has finished melting, so I am taking this bad boy off. And so far so good. I am loving the way the hair look. So I'm going to go in with my this is like an eyebrow shavers, but I use it on my lace, and I just go in and do jaggedy, and it cut closest to the hairline on the lace as possible. It just gives it that nice sleek look. Instead of using a scissors, you can use a scissors, yes, but I like to use that. And then here, as you see, I just put a little bit of setting spray. So this is the melting spray I'm using, and I just put it on, and then obviously I'm touching back up my makeup at the front where I cut the lace to blend it in, because if you can see, there's a bit of a line. So I just want to set that bad boy good and steady, and then I just put back on to my melting band to make this lace melt even more. I love when I see a lace front wig on a girl just melted like no tomorrow. You hardly can detect that it's actually a lace front. You will be thinking that, girl, is that your hair? And that's the way I love when my hair is looking, you know. So here, while I am making it melt, and I'm going to go back in with some just some water in a spray bottle. I love that wet look. So I'm just wetting up the hair, and yeah, so I'm just wetting up both sides because I just love that, like, kind of the out of the shower wet method look. And then after that, I'm going to probably go into with some mousse. Yeah, so as you can see here, and even right now, like, this hair is just giving. It is giving what it's supposed to be giving. So big up to yourself, Nadula hair. The hair looks amazing. So here I am going in with some hair mousse, and I just go over the top. So while it is wet, just go over it, and then the mousse now will trap in the curls, make it look that much tighter, and just give it that nice tight silky shine that I am looking for. And holding, and even though this hair is a Jericho hair, it's still giving perfect tight curls. I just wanted a little bit tighter because I didn't want the hair to look kind of frizzed out. So the mousse and the water is gonna give the look that I want it to give. But it's all up to you ladies, the way you want to do it, but this is the way I do it. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys do with your curly hair. Do you like the wet look method look that I am doing? And then when it dries, it is looking on point. And that's something that I love about curly hair when I do my curly wigs. So I'm just finishing putting on the mousse from the top all the way down to the bottom, because you know your girl has to just, I like to make my wigs them look like it's my hair. And when you take off and look at that melt, guys, do you see that? Do you see that melt? So I'm just combing the front a bit, just to make it look flat. And see, I'm showing you guys the sides, but I love it. I love the way this hair melted. It looked like it is growing from my scalp. It looked like it's my hair. And that's the way I love my hair to be. Yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'm just here feeling myself, just playing with the hair. Like, I love me a good quality curly hair. And like I said, this is the Jerry curl hair. So if it's something that you like, you can go ahead and get it. I just love the way it looks. And it's perfect for a vacation. Summertime, something just quick to throw on and go.